Good morning, everybody. Today is a very exciting day because we are starting with the breakfast and we are going almost around Bali for the 3 days trip actually. So a lot of interesting things we're gonna see today and tomorrow and after tomorrow. What most people, especially on YouTube, what don't showing you, because especially in North and West Bali. I hope so you enjoy. Let's have a breakfast first.
So we travel from Sanur to Prerenan. It took us around 2 hours. Oh my god, the traffic jam. So we decided to have a breakfast first before we continue our trip to the North Bali, and then we will go to the West Bali today.
And we're having breakfast in rice. That's a nice looking little restaurant selling Mediterranean and Indian cuisine, but also Western. So that's my egg benny here, and as you can see, actually quite a lot of people at morning, but it's not as busy as it was when we were like last year here. Yeah, but let's see about what you order, because you have a speciality of this place. Oh, it's coming right here, right now.
So this is my food. I order one masala dosa for breakfast. I think this is their specialties, and most of the people are here order the same masala dosa. So yeah, busy. This is the menu actually if you plan to come here, and we had a breakfast, and I'll show you the vibe, how it is inside the restaurant. It's quite busy, almost all the table are taken. So nice and cozy actually. So yeah, this is typical Prerenan area, so where people eating and sitting and working by the laptop. So yeah, this is it. Alright, so the first place that we went is Jatiluwe area. Look at this around me, beautiful green rice paddies, amazing. So yeah, if people asking me where do you prefer, Sideman, Tegalalang, or Jatiluwe? Of course, Jatiluwe, close by my hometown.
That's your hometown, Sayang, of course.
So,
but
yeah.
in general, it's more beautiful. It's just beautiful. But also, Jatiluwe belongs to UNESCO, and they plant the red rice here, which is totally different than Tegalalang. In Ubud, both destinations are beautiful. Just this one is slightly better. It's just better, and that's that's the reality. We are not saying because the Tegalalang are not nice, are beautiful. They are totally just different. And I don't know if you realize or you can feel it, how the red rice is bigger than the regular rice. This one is like a 1 meter high, tall rice. The mountains in the background and the sounds of the nature, the river, the spring water here like this one, the rice field water is just so magnificent. So, speechless. It's been a while when we are here actually.
Welcome home, welcome to my hometown in Tabanan. You know, rice paddies and the sound of nature, water, clean water, mountain. This is it.
Just speechless. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Okay, let's have a coffee.
Let's have a coffee breakfast.
Overlooking this beautiful landscape here. And that's how does it look like inside the little warung restaurant. We're gonna have a coffee as usual, our tradition here. Beautiful, beautiful place. What I'm gonna tell you is just the rice field, but it's magnificent rice field. What do you think, baby?
So I think this one is a huge hectares land for the rice paddies.
That's the UNESCO, by the way.
Yeah.
It's 300 hectares, I think.
Yeah,
297.
hopefully there are no building construction around here and keep it nature for such a long years. So yeah, I'm so proud of Tabanan. I mean, like Jatiluwe.
Very good. You have to, Sayang.
I'm happy with that.
That's the view from the restaurant. Sayang enjoying. And we have a cappuccino with coconut milk on today's occasion. Well, eventually we are on the rice fields or something new.
Amazing.
And
Amazing.
can you
Look
hear
at that.
the music in the background and the view? So lovely. And as the bonus, we're having a beautiful pisang goreng rice field. What else you need, sayang, isn't it?
Bali life.
Bali Land. Such a beautiful place, isn't it, guys? As I mentioned at the beginning of today's videos, we are traveling across northwest Bali for another 2-3 days. So we're going to different locations. This was Jatiluwih, a beautiful place. Let's go to the next one.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
So we just arrived at the next spot. This one is Wanagiri Hills. So behind me, look at that. This is they called as the twin lake. That's Danau Buyan, and this one is Danau Tamblingan. So super cool.
Very cool.
And
And,
the
it's
weather
weather
is-
cool as well.
Yeah, the weather's so nice.
And of course, if you would like to, you can have a Bali coffee, which is Coffee Bali, overlooking the lakes together with the locals. And also some monkeys are here, actually, I just realized, like this one. So it's pretty local vibe still in Mundok.
Yes. Oh, look at those monkeys.
Where?
They're
They are
on the
sitting
trees.
actually here, yeah. I will zoom a little bit for you. Here we go, yo, what's up? And at the same time, this is probably one of the best viewpoints in full entire Bali Islands. As you can see, 2 different lakes around, and also this is about 1,300 meters above the sea level. And the temperature here is like in Europe. This is what we like, around 20, 25 degree, maybe 22, 23 feels like. It's super cool. And then it just is on the way if you're going to different locations in Bali, especially to North Bali. It's very worth to stop here. It's Mundok, and then we're gonna go to different locations.
All right, it's lunchtime. So now we are in the one restaurant in Mundok. I forgot the name. Oh yes, the name is Ngiring ke Wedang Restaurant. Let's see.
This is art name, I don't know.
So let's see. It's quite busy nowadays.
It's quite busy. I'm gonna tell you, just walk in video without fancy editing and everything. Some people enjoying. Today is pretty nice weather. Sometimes it's inside the cloud. Today it's nice. It's busier when I was here last time during the pandemic times. It was always open, it was quieter. So you have a sitting area. And I'm gonna show you how is the view from outside. Today it's nice. It's cloudy and sunny at the same time. Sometimes you can see the ocean there. Actually, ocean is over there. And if you're really looking deep inside, you can see Java Island. And that's the road. So cool.
Amazing. Busy behind me. Let's
Actually,
go. Have a
pretty
seat.
busy today. Also, there is the private room, but somebody is inside, so we're not gonna disturb. And there's like a nice terrace. In general, a very unique place in the restaurant. And they have also coffee shop. Look at this beautiful painting. They have a coffee shop because they making coffee here themselves. Definitely, we're gonna try the coffee. There's some historical journey of the owners. Bali. This is Balinese own coffee shop, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
So it's
And
very
then-
Balinese owned. So it's very local. Support locals. Right?
So actually Mundok area is famous for the coffee and also clove plantation. So everywhere we go later on will be beautiful green.
Very nice indeed. And we're gonna try the coffee later on. Yeah, that's the place in general. Very nice.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me, and the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you.
Alright, so behind me is the Bunut Bolong, which is mean that there is a hole under the tree. So the thing is that that's jalur upacara pernikahan and fitrayatnya. So if you are in a marriage ceremony and cremation ceremony, you have to pass this one. You are not allowed to pass this road because this is a very holy tree. So yeah, you have to pass this one. Amazing.
Also, as guys, you can see there's only our car, some locals enjoying, and there's literally nothing is going on here. Not much people, not many people. And this is the tree I just want to show you. Very old, very big tree. I just want to cross it, pass it. Hopefully nobody gonna drive right now. Looks like this one. Very, very, very unique stuff. Very cool. Definitely very worth to come and see this one like this.
So this one in West Bali, we arrived in West Bali. So yeah, after this we will check in the hotel later on. It's already late afternoon. I think that's the end of our day trip to West Bali. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!
And don't forget guys to come back tomorrow, because tomorrow we're gonna explore West Bali. Really not so many YouTube videos on internet about this one. Even this one, I believe not many of you even guys expect something like this one. It's in Bali. See you tomorrow. Except that this is the tree like this, there is just huge jungle. There's nothing else. Like a landscape, never ending landscape of the West Bali jungle. So cool.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.